Welcome to Luna English. Today we have 190 bank sentences, from complete beginner all the way to advanced. Opening an account, transfers, lost cards, loans, disputes. Let us begin together. Here's how it works. First, listen carefully. You'll hear each sentence twice. Then, when you hear the beep, repeat after me out loud. At the end, all the sentences appear on screen. Screenshot them to review anytime. Ready? Let's begin. Let's start by opening an account. I'd like to open an account. I'd like to open an account. Which account works best for me? Which account works best for me? Here's my passport and proof of address. Here's my passport and proof of address. Do you need a second ID? Do you need a second ID? Is there a monthly fee? Is there a monthly fee? How much do I need to start? How much do I need to start? Can I open a savings account too? Can I open a savings account too? Does this account pay any interest? Does this account pay any interest? Where do I sign? Where do I sign? Can my daughter open one too? Can my daughter open one too? How long will this take? How long will this take? Can I add my wife to it? Can I add my wife to it? Do you have a mobile app? Do you have a mobile app? Could I do this online instead? Could I do this online instead? That one sounds good to me. That one sounds good to me. Now let's put money in and take it out. I'd like to deposit this cash. I'd like to deposit this cash. I want to withdraw $200. I want to withdraw $200. Can I cash this check? Can I cash this check? Do I sign the back? Do I sign the back? Please put it in my savings. Please put it in my savings. Can I get smaller bills? Can I get smaller bills? 20s are fine. 20s are fine. Could you break 100 for me? Could you break 100 for me? Could you count that again? Could you count that again? How much can I take out today? How much can I take out today? Can I withdraw the whole balance? Can I withdraw the whole balance? I'd like to deposit this check too. I'd like to deposit this check too. When will the check clear? When will the check clear? Could I get a receipt? Could I get a receipt? Do you take rolled coins? Do you take rolled coins? That's everything for today. Thanks. That's everything for today. Thanks. Next, let's handle your card and the cash machine. I'd like to apply for a debit card. I'd like to apply for a debit card. When will my card arrive? When will my card arrive? How do I set my PIN? How do I set my PIN? Could you activate it for me? Could you activate it for me? My card isn't working. My card isn't working. The machine ate my card. The machine ate my card. The ATM didn't give me my cash. The ATM didn't give me my cash. Where's the nearest cash machine? Where's the nearest cash machine? Is there a fee at that machine? Is there a fee at that machine? Can I use this card abroad? Can I use this card abroad? I forgot my PIN. I forgot my PIN. Can I change my PIN here? Can I change my PIN here? My card expires next month. My card expires next month. Please send me a new one. Please send me a new one. Can I use it to shop online? Can I use it to shop online? Let's finish the basics at the counter. What's my balance right now? What's my balance right now? Could you print that for me? Could you print that for me? Has my paycheck come in yet? Has my paycheck come in yet? Did my rent payment go through? Did my rent payment go through? What time do you close today? What time do you close today? Are you open on Saturdays? Are you open on Saturdays? Do I need to take a number? Do I need to take a number? Which window should I go to? Which window should I go to? I'd like to see a banker. I'd like to see a banker. Can I make an appointment? Can I make an appointment? I moved, so please update my address. I moved, so please update my address. Please change my phone number too. Please change my phone number too. Could I get a copy of my statement? Could I get a copy of my statement? I'd like to close this account. I'd like to close this account. Now we move into the intermediate part, starting with transfers. I'd like to move money between my accounts. I'd like to move money between my accounts. Can I send this to another bank? Can I send this to another bank? Here's the account and routing number. Here's the account and routing number. How long will the transfer take? How long will the transfer take? Is there a faster option? Is there a faster option? I need to wire money overseas. I need to wire money overseas. What information do you need from me? What information do you need from me? Do you need a SWIFT code? Do you need a SWIFT code? Please send it in euros. Please send it in euros. Can I add a note to it? Can I add a note to it? Could you confirm the money went out? Could you confirm the money went out? That transfer never went through. That transfer never went through. Can you trace a missing payment? Can you trace a missing payment? I'd like to set up autopay. I'd like to set up autopay. Can I schedule it for every Monday? Can I schedule it for every Monday? Please cancel that scheduled payment. Please cancel that scheduled payment. Can I set up direct deposit here? Can I set up direct deposit here? Can I pay my credit card here? Can I pay my credit card here? Next, let's talk about fees and rates. Why was I charged this fee? Why was I charged this fee? Could you explain this overdraft fee? Could you explain this overdraft fee? Can you waive it just this once? Can you waive it just this once? I've never been charged before. I've never been charged before. Do I pay extra at other machines? Do I pay extra at other machines? What's the fee for a wire transfer? What's the fee for a wire transfer? Is the monthly fee waived with direct deposit? Is the monthly fee waived with direct deposit? How can I avoid this fee? How can I avoid this fee? What's my daily withdrawal limit? What's my daily withdrawal limit? Is the counter limit higher than the machine? Is the counter limit higher than the machine? Could you raise my limit for today? Could you raise my limit for today? What's the exchange rate today? What's the exchange rate today? Is there a commission on top? Is there a commission on top? Can I order euros for Friday? Can I order euros for Friday? Could you itemize these charges? Could you itemize these charges? Thanks for sorting that out. Thanks for sorting that out. Now, let's report a lost card. My card was stolen last night. My card was stolen last night. Please block it right now. Please block it right now. Someone used it at a gas station. Someone used it at a gas station. I didn't make that payment. I didn't make that payment. There's a charge I don't recognize. There's a charge I don't recognize. Could you send me a replacement card? Could you send me a replacement card? Please rush it if you can. Please rush it if you can. How long until it arrives? How long until it arrives? Why is my account locked? Why is my account locked? Can you unlock it for me? Can you unlock it for me? I think someone got into my account. I think someone got into my account. Please cancel my old card. Please cancel my old card. Will my autopay still go through? Will my autopay still go through? Can I still use my checks? Can I still use my checks? Do I get that money back? Do I get that money back? Could you email me a confirmation? Could you email me a confirmation? Let's close the intermediate part with online banking. I can't log into the app. I can't log into the app. Could you reset my password? Could you reset my password? The app keeps logging me out. The app keeps logging me out. I'm not getting the text code. I'm not getting the text code. Can you turn on text alerts? Can you turn on text alerts? I'd like paperless statements. I'd like paperless statements. Could you email me last month's statement? Could you email me last month's statement? How far back can I download? How far back can I download? My deposit still isn't showing. My deposit still isn't showing. Is that payment still pending? Is that payment still pending? What does this pending charge mean? What does this pending charge mean? My balance doesn't match my records. My balance doesn't match my records. Could you walk me through the app? Could you walk me through the app? Can I deposit checks with my phone? Can I deposit checks with my phone? That clears it up, thanks. That clears it up, thanks. Now we move into the advanced part, starting with loans. I'd like to ask about a mortgage. I'd like to ask about a mortgage. What rate could I get today? What rate could I get today? Am I pre-approved for anything? Am I pre-approved for anything? How much down payment do I need? How much down payment do I need? What would my monthly payment be? What would my monthly payment be? Would you suggest fixed or variable? Would you suggest fixed or variable? Could you run a soft credit check? Could you run a soft credit check? Are there any origination fees? Are there any origination fees? How long does approval usually take? How long does approval usually take? What document should I bring in? What document should I bring in? Most of my income is freelance. Most of my income is freelance. Can I lock in this rate? Can I lock in this rate? Can I pay extra toward the principal? Can I pay extra toward the principal? Is there a penalty for paying early? Is there a penalty for paying early? Could I refinance if rates drop? Could I refinance if rates drop? Please send me an amortization schedule. Please send me an amortization schedule. I'd like to compare two loan options. I'd like to compare two loan options. I'll think it over and call you. I'll think it over and call you. Next, let's talk credit cards and your score. I'd like to apply for a credit card. I'd like to apply for a credit card. What's the annual fee on this one? What's the annual fee on this one? Is there a sign-up bonus right now? Is there a sign-up bonus right now? What's the APR if I carry a balance? What's the APR if I carry a balance? Could you raise my credit limit? Could you raise my credit limit? Will that hurt my credit score? Will that hurt my credit score? Can I check my score here? Can I check my score here? My score dropped about 30 points. My score dropped about 30 points. What's pulling my score down? What's pulling my score down? When is my payment due? When is my payment due? Could I move the due date? Could I move the due date? I'd like to pay off the balance. I'd like to pay off the balance. Can I turn points into cash back? Can I turn points into cash back? What's the foreign transaction fee? What's the foreign transaction fee? Please flag my card for travel. Please flag my card for travel. I'd rather keep just one card. I'd rather keep just one card. Now, let's ask about saving and investing. I'd like to see a financial advisor. I'd like to see a financial advisor. What are your CD rates right now? What are your CD rates right now? Is that rate fixed for the whole term? Is that rate fixed for the whole term? What's the penalty for early withdrawal? What's the penalty for early withdrawal? Could I ladder a few of them? Could I ladder a few of them? Does this beat inflation right now? Does this beat inflation right now? I'd rather keep the risk low. I'd rather keep the risk low. How much of this is guaranteed? How much of this is guaranteed? Can I open a retirement account here? Can I open a retirement account here? How much can I put in yearly? How much can I put in yearly? Is my money insured up to the limit? Is my money insured up to the limit? What fees does this fund charge? What fees does this fund charge? Could I take it out any time? Could I take it out any time? Let's move some into the money market. Let's move some into the money market. Could you email me the full terms? Could you email me the full terms? I'd like to sleep on it. I'd like to sleep on it. Finally, let's fight a charge that isn't yours. I need to report a fraudulent charge. I need to report a fraudulent charge. Please freeze the account while you check. Please freeze the account while you check. I'd like to file a formal dispute. I'd like to file a formal dispute. I never authorized that merchant. I never authorized that merchant. This subscription should have been canceled. This subscription should have been canceled. I was charged twice for one purchase. I was charged twice for one purchase. Could you pull up the transaction details? Could you pull up the transaction details? Can I get a provisional credit meanwhile? Can I get a provisional credit meanwhile? How long does the investigation take? How long does the investigation take? What's the deadline to dispute this? What's the deadline to dispute this? Please put a fraud alert on my file. Please put a fraud alert on my file. Could I get a case number? Could I get a case number? I'd like this in writing, please. I'd like this in writing, please. May I speak with your supervisor? May I speak with your supervisor? I appreciate you handling this carefully. I appreciate you handling this carefully. Great job making it to the end. The more you practice, the more natural your English feels. If this helped, hit like and subscribe and turn on the bell. What scene would you like to practice next? Any topic or suggestion? Tell me in the comments. I read every one. See you in the next lesson.